Ayan, so hello and shout out to everyone. So, another day, another vlog. And ngayon lang ulit tayo magha-hike. So, ang kasama ko ngayon is ang aking bossing, ang kanyang friend at ang kanyang dalawang estudyante. So, we are going to Tao Fung Shan Mountain, Cambudas. And if you're wondering where is this, just the opposite side of the way going to the uh, 1,000 Buddha. 10,000 Buddha, I guess. 10,000 Buddha or 1,000 Buddha in Shatin. So, it's the opposite side just near the Shatin Stair Station. So, ito yung sinundan naming daan. And this will lead you to the Tao Fung Shan Mountain.
I know, but we were talking about what you could do with eye tracking. We arrived, oh my god, we were too fast, that's why I'm so sweaty.
Don't worry, we still can have another round.
There is a check shop.
Tao Fung Shan.
And here, because this is a Dodong San Road, very famous in Hong Kong, it's talking about Christian second.
Alright, shut up. Got it.
Please keep quiet. Silent retreat area. So this is going to the old church, which is Lutheran Theological Seminary. So it's like an old one, but it's not. Wala namang masyadong nakita kong tao na pumupunta dito, but there are some who are coming in here because it is should I say it's a retreat area, so that's why it's like not open for hiking. Pero meron mangilan-ilan na pumupunta doon. May nakasabay kaming ibang tao, but not as you expected us when you go to like hiking places. You expect there's a lot of people, but here is just mangilan-ngilan lang. So here we are going to this side of the place, punta sa old church. So ito po yung kanilang old map. That's it. So there's a church over there. It's with a cross, and we are on this side. So let's go. Welcome to Life Center. I like the color of the tree.
I went to a restaurant with Cora and eating Macau, and it was a very fancy restaurant. Cora machine. I don't know, do you know?
The drink this one like tea? Yeah.
So in Guangdong we use this flour to cook shu.
Really?
Yes. And
It's
because
sweet, right?
Yeah. Because
So as you can see, walang katao-tao dito kasi nga retreat area. And we cannot enter the inside, so just the outside of the place. And rest time before we continue. At sila po ay mga pinagpawisan na.
Maybe interesting English explanation. No.
Narrow gate.
It's built in 1966. Yeah. Maybe 50 years old. Okay. About 50.
So we are entering the narrow gate. Narrow gate, they call it the narrow gate, and that's the cross over there. That one. I'll show you the view. So that is shot in here, yeah. Ayan, so they call this one as the Thanksgiving Pavilion. Ito siya. And the cross over here. So if you are here, you can see the whole area of Shatin. So Miss Sarah here is so happy that nakita daw niya yung hotel niya na kung saan doon siya nagstay. And it's so good today because the weather is almost getting into, getting hot now. So, hindi masyadong malamig, hindi masyadong mainit. Just okay for hiking. And pabalik na po kami. And it's almost 11 here in the morning kasi maaga kaming umakyat. And this is just for a short hike kasi kailangan makababa kami and then we'll take some lunch because Miss Sarah here needs to catch up her flight going back to Australia, which is needs to go to lunch first and then go back to the hotel and then punta na siya ng airport. So we're here now at the way going down. So can you see, if you can see this one, this is shut in already, just near the interstation. So here it is, tapos na po kumain and papunta na po siya sa kanyang hotel, Park Royal Hotel. Hatid lang namin and then bahala na siyang iiwanan namin siya doon, bahala na siyang go to the airport. So that's all. Thank you so much kasi sinama nila ako sa hike nila, which is good kasi hindi lang ako nag-upo-upo dyan sa bahay nila, at least nagpapawis din tayo, no?